Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to continue the chapter Linear Inequality, and we have completed the exercises. Now we are going to start miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise means all kinds of questions we have in that exercise, and we will solve one by one. Let's see miscellaneous exercise. First question. Simply we have to solve the inequation. Let's see. We are given 2 is less than or equal to 3x minus 4. 2 is less than or equal to 3x minus 4 is less than or equal to 5. We have to find the value of x. So what to do? First of all, we have to make this x in the middle alone. First we have to remove this 4, after that is 3, and so on. So here it is minus 4. So what to do? We will add 4 in all 3 terms. Means like this: 2 plus 4 is less than or equal to 3x minus 4 plus 4 is less than or equal to 5 plus 4. So here we have 6 is less than or equal to 3x is less than or equal to 9. Now we have to remove this 3. So divide all these 3 terms by 3. So we can write 6 divided by 3 is less than or equal to 3x divided by 3 is less than or equal to 9 divided by 3. So what we have got? 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. So your answer is like this: 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. So this is the answer of the question. Similarly, we can solve the other questions also. Let's see. Question number 2. Second question. We are given 6 is less than or equal to minus 3 times of 2x minus 4 is less than or equal to 12. Only less than 12 is given. So once again, what to do? First of all, multiply this minus 3 here, or you can divide the whole by 3, minus 3. So let's see, when you divide this by minus 3, this inequality will change. See, 6 by minus 3 is more than or equal to minus 3 times of 2x minus 4 is more than 12 upon minus 3 divided by minus 3. So we have minus 2 is more than or equal to 2x minus 4 is more than minus 4. See, here we have to remove 4. So add 4 in all these. So what we have? Minus 2 plus 4 is more than or equal to 2x minus 4 plus 4 is more than minus 4 plus 4. So what we have got? Let's see. This is 2 is more than or equal to 2x is more than 0. Now divide this by 2. So we have 2 divided by 2 is more than or equal to 2x upon 2 is more than 0 upon 2. So what is the condition? We have got 1 is more than x is more than 0, or you can write the answer like this: 0 is less than x is less than or equal to 1. This would be the answer of the question. So this is how we can solve one by one the terms. Let's see one more question. You can pause the video to note down the solution. Very simple one. Let's see. Third question, we are given minus 3 is less than or equal to minus 3 is less than or equal to 4 minus 7x upon 2 upon 2 is less than or equal to 18. First of all, you may take LCM of this. See, minus 3 is less than or equal to 8 minus 7x upon 2 is less than or equal to 18. Multiply all section by 2. So we have minus 6 is less than or equal to 8 minus 7x is less than or equal to 36. Now remove 8. Subtract 8 from all. So 6 minus 8 is less than or equal to 8 minus 7x minus 8 is less than or equal to 36 minus 8. After this is minus 14 is less than or equal to minus 7x is less than or equal to 28. Remove this, divide this by minus 7. So if you divide this by minus 7, inequality will change, sign will change. So we can write minus 14 upon minus 7 is more than or equal to minus 7x upon minus 7 is more than or equal to 28 upon minus 7. So this we have got 2 is less than more than or equal to x is more than or equal to minus 4, or we can write the answer minus 4 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2. This will be the answer. I hope you understood. So other questions like this was question number 3 I have solved. After this question number 4, 5, 6, 4, 5 is same. I am going to solve question number 6. You can see 4, 5 you can try yourself. All questions are of same type. Just you have to use your skill and solve it. See, I am solving question number 6. Sixth question. Given 7 is less than or equal to 3x plus 11 upon 2 is less than or equal to 11. First of all, remove this 2 from here. So what to do? Multiply by 2 in all terms. So we have 14 is less than or equal to 3x plus 11 is less than or equal to 22. Now after this, remove this 11, subtract 11 from all terms. So we have 14 minus 11 is less than or equal to 3x plus 11 minus 11 is less than or equal to 22 minus 11. So what is the result? We have 3 is less than or equal to 3x is less than or equal to 11. Now divide this by 3 to get the value of x. So we can write this 3 by 3 is less than or equal to 3x by 3 is less than or equal to 11 upon 3. So answer is 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 11 upon 3 is your answer of the question. This is question number 6. So you can solve the questions as it is given. Now question number 7 onward. Let's see. We have to plot the graph. We have to plot the graph of the equations. Let's see how to plot the graph. In question number 7, question is given, solve the inequalities in question 7 to 10 and represent the solution graphically on number line. Let's see. 5x plus 1 7th question. 5x plus 1 is more than minus 24. In equation number 1, and second in equation is given 5x minus 1 is less than 24. Two inequalities are given. Let's solve from 1. From 1, 5x plus 1 is more than minus 24. Send this one this side. We have 5x is more than minus 25. Then x is more than minus 5. We have got one of the results. X is more than minus 5. From 2, from equation 2, 5x minus 1 is less than 24. Send this side. So we have 5x is less than 25. X is less than 5. So we have got the another result. So we have to plot the graph. The number x is more than minus 5 and less than 5. And it is a strict inequality. So when we plot the graph of this, see, this is minus nd to plus nd. Here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What is the number? Number is more than minus 5. Here you can see open circle, as I told in the beginning. When we have strict inequality, the circle is open and goes to 5. This one. So this one is the graphical presentation of the inequality. This is how we can plot the graph. Let's see one more question. Question number 8. Eighth question. Question is given 2 times of x minus 1 is less than x plus 5. In question number 1. Second one is 3 times of x plus 2 is more than 2 minus x. We will solve the two inequalities one by one to get the values of x, and after that we shall plot the graph of this inequality. Let's see. From 1 we can multiply this. 2x minus 2 is less than x plus 5. Bring this x towards x, send the number towards number. So we have 2x minus x is less than 5 plus 2. So we have x is less than 7. We have got one of the answers. X is less than 7. From 2, multiply this by 3. We have 3x plus 6 is more than 2 minus x. Bring this x this side. So we can write this 3x plus x is more than 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6. So we have 4x is more than minus 4. X is more than minus 1. So what is the result? Condition is minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than 7. This is the answer. Now we have to plot this on the graph. See, this is number line, minus nd to plus nd or number line. After this, this is 0. This one is minus 1, minus 2. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number inequality is strict inequality. So here from minus 1 to 7. This one is open inequality. So minus 1 to 7. So this is how you can plot the graph of the inequalities. You can see it, very simple one. So I have plotted question number 7 and 8, 9, 10. You can do this. 9 and 10 you can do. All right. Now let's see. You can try the other questions, question number 9 and 10, and other questions whatever I have left. Other questions which are word problem, so this can be solved in regular classes. Till then, thank you very much and God bless you.